Okay, this video just demonstrates how to intercept HTTPS traffics and try to capture the user login password through the middleman attack. So what's the MITM is just for the normal connection, user access the web application directly through this link. But if you apply the man-in-the-middle attack, then the traffic originally from this user to this web server will be routed to this middleman, and then through some manipulation, the hacker can capture the user password information originally sent to the web application. Okay, first I suppose this is the victim web browser, and then this victim try to access this one. Okay, now I just do the original non-HTTPS, just normal HTTP traffic spoofing. So I do the tcpdump here. I do the tcpdump. Okay, this one will be at the victim host to sliver the traffic, the port active traffic. This is the HTTP traffic. That means no encryption. So that we do this one, and then we try to log in this system, and then I try to log in. Okay, you can see that you will see the traffic for the HTTP. This is no encryptions, so that the login name, and also the password can be just captured by the tcpdump. Okay, if I turn into the I log out it first. Okay, I turn it into to be the HTTPS. Then I go into this. Okay, I log in again. Okay, now I sliver the traffic is the HTTPS traffic here. So now I log in again. So you see that all the traffic is encrypted. You cannot just listen because they do not transmit the traffic in the plain text, so that they just encrypted by the key, so that you can sliver the traffic at the victim. You cannot do it. So how the hacker can also break in the HTTPS to capture the user password here. So for example, these two terminal is the hacker. It's the middleman hacker here. First of all, I need to make the user traffic not go into this original web server first, go into my hacker first. So that what I do here, you have many ways to do it. You can do the DNS hijacking, and also if you are in the local network, you can use the ARP poisoning. So that in this demo, the hacker will use the ARP poisoning. So for example, the hacker here in this terminal, they do the ARP poisoning. So that you know that they are now trying to spoof the MAC address of the original web server to be the client, to be the hacker MAC address. So that this is the victim IP and this is the web server IP, and then both web server IP and also the victim MAC address is also to be the hacker MAC address. So whenever the user access the web server point 2 .2 here, they will go into the hacker server. So how the hacker server can encrypt to decrypt the HTTPS? So let me log out this first. Okay. Reload. Now I go into this one. Okay, I just go to this one. So also, I also need in the hacker host, I need to also run a command is proxy here, the proxy here, and then I also provide a face certificate here, so that I run this one. Okay, so I reload it. Okay, so that get into this one, and then I get into the HTTPS. Webmail. Okay, so we go into this one, and then I log in the account again. So you see that there is some traffic here, so you can go into, let me little bit longer here. Okay, so you have okay, yeah, you have a lot of traffic. You can get a lot of traffic here, so that you see that there's a post response here about this one. Then I enter this one. Okay, so that you can go this down here, and then you see that that's the login name. See the I move it into a bit. Okay, so that you can see the login name here, and also the password here, the password here. So that through this method, because you use the face certificate, and through the victim trusts this certificate, and then they log in. The victim thought that they log into the real web server, but actually it is go through the middleman, and the middleman can manipulate the HTTPS traffic, and then can capture the user login account and its password here, so that you get the password here. So you can go through the victim host here. So the victim host, you can ARP the web server here, the web server, so that this is the MAC address, of the hacker. So the MAC address of the hacker. So that if you, let me call this one here, yeah, you will see that the MAC address, this is the MAC address of the hacker here. Okay, after that, after the attack, okay, I finished the ARP poisoning. Then they will resume the normal MAC address of the victim and also the web server. So that when you ARP this web server again, you will see that the MAC address have been updated, changes, because they will just maintain file, because they no longer to capture the traffic. Then they will just let the user connect to the web server directly. Okay, So this is how the HTTPS intercept by the man in the middle attack.